I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, y'all, we back with another update on that thing. Woo! I gave people a sneak peek, tried to bring them on in, but y'all behind the scenes, y'all already know. Tighten up a couple things, man. Trans cooler is now actually hooked up. Got the radiator hooked up, fluid is in there. The only thing I'm missing, honestly, is what's it called? I was gonna try to do a tank like this, but then after I thought about it, because I'm putting the battery on this side, and I usually don't do that. Only other way I'd be able to do it is I have to run it all the way over there, and it just be all ass backwards. So take this back, get my money back. And then I got a actual factory one around here somewhere. Doodly-doodly-doodly-doo. Let's find it. I got a factory one around here somewhere. Anyway, we'll find it in a minute. We also went ahead and hooked up the shifter linkage. So that's hooked up. Cross members up. So got the oh yeah, we're gonna show y'all that too. This shit was a bitch doing it by myself. This fucking throttle cable. Oh man, gave me a little slight migraine. But we got it on there. This is not the low car joint, it's one just like it on eBay for the LO. So that's what we went with. We'll probably route it a little differently, but for now, I mean, that'll work. Got a cold air intake set. I don't know exactly how that's gonna work. We're not gonna run this like this. It's just sitting up there. I don't even know if I'm gonna end up using this. I may end up getting a stubby filter because once again, like I said, when I changed the game on all of the swaps, I ran battery to the driver's side. This one is on the passenger side, like from the factory, and it's all thrown off. So it's all good though. It's all good. Live and you learn. But yeah, so now with the tube, it like comes this way. I mean, it clears barely, but this is kind of in the way. And then when you try to put this big old filter on there, then it pushes that back. It's gonna push the tube back, possibly into the alternator. So, like I said, I might just order a blue stubby one. Yeah, I might just order a blue stubby one like that, and then I'll give this one away, do a giveaway, because I'm not gonna use it. And I don't want to wrestle with the hassle of fucking trying to return it and all that, so yeah. But anyway, let me see. I just need to put, let's see, see there. I know I got this one, but this is not the one I was talking about either. Yeah, let's see. This is too big. Too big. But I got a factory joint around here somewhere. Because Pierre was supposed to get it. And then I don't think Pierre ever came and got it. There it is. So yeah, we got your little jug right there. So we'll go in the factory spot. And let me get it coordinated and then we'll crank it up. All right, so temporarily we just got this ran back here or running over into here. I might try to see if I can find a cap that has like an opening. That way I can just run the breather thing back over into it, and then I can just run that to that and be done with it. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, more than likely I'm gonna just run that one and just call it good. Let's see what else. I want to say that's it. So let's crank it up. Like I said, we got the throttle cable hooked up, shifter, all that good stuff. Before I was having like a little bit of issue with cranking it. I'm pretty sure it had to do with the position of the throttle blade, if y'all remember. But now I can just hit the gas. Someone was whistling. I wonder if that's that G body whistle or G plus whistle. I wouldn't be surprised if it was. However, let me see. I do need to see exactly what that is. But like I said, it is hooked up. Like I said, we're about ready to put it back on the ground now. good day. I said good day. Alright, so not exactly sure what the squeaky toy is. As Miss LS has said. This is probably something else I'm gonna have to. I was not aware that this column. Well, I mean, since we had originally got the car, you know, I guess the first and foremost was put an engine in it, drivetrain or whatever, but yeah. I don't know. We'll get it figured out though. We always do.